Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. Quite exciting moments in the crypto market that we're witnessing a huge dump in the market in the last 1 hour. But before we start, if you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Well, about this volatility, I mentioned 4 days ago in advance that, as I said, keep an eye on the 7th and the 9th of September and expecting some decent volatility in the market. So as you can see from the chart as well, that I pointed out the 8th, however, 7th and the 9th of September has been provided. If we're going to take a look into in the last 1 hour, as you can see, in the last 1 hour, that as soon as we broke the support number 1, it is acting at the moment, support number 1, support number 2 is acting as a resistance at the moment. As soon as we broke the lower line, all the way we went 42,850 level. If we're going to analyze the 4 hour time, today's in the morning's update that I took it from this low all the way the recent high, and then I put it the point of control, that as you can see this red line, and that matched with our upper line of this support number 1. And I was expecting, even though that we're going to come to the support number 1, which is 48,700ish, or maximum we could have come support number 2. And to be honest with you, that was a brutal, and most of the people, they didn't expect that under 1 hour BTC will dump 14% from 50,000 all the way up to $43,000. At the moment, if we're going to analyze the 4 hour time frame, the resistance, the support number 2, as I said, acts as a resistance. However, the heavy resistance that we're going to have is going to be support number 1. So highly likely the price will come and then we'll test the upper line of this support number 1, which is acting as a resistance. That also matches still with a point of control, and that's going to be around $49,800 and $50,000. If we're going to analyze the daily time frame, that all the way we came to the support number 3. However, as I said, on the mid time frame, this is going to be 50,000 level, is going to be very important resistance for the BTC in the coming hours and days. If we're going to reject from here, and highly likely under a higher time frame, we will visit right back to the support number 3 in the first place. But it's going to be slightly early for us to talk about if we're going to break the support number 3, then the price action one can expect all the way up to $41,000. So for now, on the mid and higher time frame, I'm going to watch how the price action will react from the $50,000. Rejection will take us all the way up to support number 3. Well, if we're going to analyze this price action, as soon as you remember, we held the $30,000 and $31,000 lower time frame started providing a buy signal. However, on the mid time frame, 33,500, 34,500 levels, a buy signal. So from the bottom, already BTC went up by all the way up to the $53,000. We went nearly 80%. And between that, we didn't see any decent correction in the market. And also, I covered in the recent videos, highly likely this may be a deviation and a fake out, staying above for some time under 618. As long as if we're going to claim as a support, then we're good to go towards the upside. However, at the same time, I covered in the recent videos that the price action kept printing a higher highs, the oscillator started fainting, and as a result we're seeing this dump in the market. So clearly that we can see here higher high structure on the price action, and then the oscillator started fainting, and that I covered in the recent videos and posts via Twitter on the mid time frame as well as the higher time frame. So as you can see, we didn't hold the 618, and as a result that was a deviation, fake out, or swing failure pattern, whatever you call it, and we broke the 618 at the same time, which I mentioned in the previous videos. Next level that we're going to come to 0.5 all the way up to 382, the Fibonacci high time Fibonacci level. And as you can see, we had this Fibonacci level at around 42,300, but the lowest one 42,900 levels. So there was a 600 difference that we're witnessing with this current price action. Before we move on to lower time frames, if you want to master all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market. It only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all, and during the course you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Moving on to 2 hour time frame. As I mentioned in the previous videos, that as long as we're going to be staying above in the next 48 to 24 hours the upper line of the support under 1 hour as well as the 2 hour time frame, then 2 hour will be under the consolidation and we might have an option to go all the way up to $54,000. However, breaking this lower line of the support 2 hour time frame at the moment heavily under the bear's control. In order to be bullish, we have to stay above the lower line of this support, which is acting at the moment as a resistance. Ideally, if we see closing above $49,500 and $50,000, highly likely then we might go to $52,000 and $54,000. However, at the moment it's quite early for us to talk about it after this dump, and I'm expecting price action to go $50,000 and rejection from that level. 1 hour time frame. Under 1 hour time frame, the indication for the bearish signal came at around $51,000 and $50,500. By breaking the upper line of this support, 1 hour time frame entered under the bear's control. In order to be bullish, we need to claim $50,500 and $51,000. Break this level 50,000, claim it as a support or clean breakout, and we are good to go towards to test the $53,000 and $54,000. For the market and instant altcoin setups, you can follow me via Twitter, _magnate. Recent trade setups: in the last 24 hours, Coco's provided 23% profit. TCT is another one which I shared less than 24 hours ago, and then that provided 20%. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.